Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a curly faux bang hairstyle 2 ways. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off with my super defined wash and go that's about 4 days old, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my hair into a pineapple. If you guys would like to see my wash and go tutorial, I'll go ahead and link that in the description box below. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hair into a pineapple, then you're going to loop the hair elastic a second time. You're going to pull your hair through, but not all the way, just halfway, so that there's hair hanging out, so that it can make a really good base for your faux bangs. At this point, I really like to center my bun, just adjust it however which way I would like to, and then we can start pulling out our single strands of hair. It's very important that you pull it out one by one instead of just doing one big clump, because what we're gonna do is make more of a rainbow shape with our not our eyebrows, what the hell am I saying, for our bangs. So yeah, basically what I like to do is I like to pull the sides a lot longer than the faux bangs that are on the center of my forehead. It creates this cute like little rainbow shape, like I said before, and I think it complements my face. If you guys think that maybe a different type of shape would complement your face, definitely change it according to your taste. Baby, you are meant for me. In love with you. Here we are at the last step. Now all we have to do is just wrap the excess hair that we don't want a part of our faux bangs around the base of our bun, and this creates a really nice polished look. It also covers the hair elastic, so it makes it look a little bit more fancy. And I don't know where the accent came from, but you know, just go with it, okay? Also, if you have any hairs that are sticking out from your pineapple, now is a good time for you to just stick it back in. And girl, you gotta pull them baby hairs out. You know we can't do this without the baby hairs. Now we are on to the second method, which is perfect for anybody who has shorter hair. I myself did this when I had just cut my hair myself and my hair wasn't long enough to loop it around twice. So basically all you gotta do is separate a little front portion of your hair. It could be as big as small as you want. We're just gonna fold back the bangs, pull and tug until we find a shape that we really like. Then all you gotta do is just pin it in place, and I will show you later on how to hide those pins. Our final step to complete our look is to put our hair into a nice oversized bun. In order for me to get a really big bun, I like to take my hair and put it into almost a pineapple, but don't pull it all the way through. Leave some of the hair out, and the hair that's left out is going to cover those bobby pins. It also creates really romantic cascading curly faux bangs. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for coming through to watch it. I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'm in love with you.